technology in general has been worked into everyone's hand. It's easy to turn it on.
Good day, I'm Graham Progress, a BHHM 1A student. Today, I quickly share my thoughts on globalization and my role within it. Globalization makes the world a smaller village through technology and trade, allowing people from different countries to communicate, share ideas, and exchange goods and services more easily. A great positive I see is instant communication. Social media helps me collaborate on projects with peers worldwide, which expand my knowledge quickly. However, a negative is the intense cultural homogenization that can make it challenging to appreciate and preserve unique local traditions and products. To me, being a responsible global citizen means making intentional choices that balance global benefits with local needs. My specific action will be participating digital responsibility. I plan to use my social media not just for entertainment but to advocate for local causes like supporting local businesses and promoting sustainable practices in my community, making a local impact with global tools. And remember, think globally, act locally, let's contribute positively in our interconnected world. Thank you and mabuhay!